Hello, welcome back to this secluded corner of cyberspace. How the devil are you? Hope you well. I'm having one of those mad hair days where the outside of my hair matches the inside of my brain. So, right, I promised. Short introductions. Today is a spicy corn soup based on a Trinidadian recipe. It's absolutely gorgeous. Bit of scotch bonnet pepper, bit of sweet potato, bit of pumpkin, bit of creamy. Oh, it's lovely. Let's get on with this one.
And so we begin. 1 onion, 4 diced garlic cloves, 2 bits of celery all sort of roughly chopped up, some oil, and we're going to cook that until it's translucent for about 5 minutes. A half of a chopped up pepper, 1 whole scotch bonnet pepper, and 1 chopped up sweet potato. Stir that for about 3 or 4 minutes. Drop in a few fronds of thyme. We're going to add in about just over 100 grams of split peas, 750 millilitres of veg stock, and about 700 millilitres of just warm water. This is going to cook for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes in, it's all really nice. The split peas have gone soft, the sweet potato's starting to melt. Get your trusty stick blender, pop it in and have a good whiz around. Right, that's the first half done, so we go into the second half and we add 200 to 300 grams of pumpkin, depending on how much you like pumpkin. A can of sweet corn, 6 stalks of sweet corn cut into half, couple of carrots chopped up, 3, they call them scallions in America, it's spring onions in the UK. So this is now going to cook alongside the tin of coconut milk for another 30 minutes. So you know, I wasn't going to do this, but I've decided at the last minute to do it, so to add some dumplings. So essentially I've got about 100 grams of flour, 100 mils of water, some salt and some parsley, roll it up into these sausagey sort of shaped things, and I'm going to bung that in for that last 30 minutes. So optional, but apparently dumplings are traditional. Bye-bye! Now there it is after the half an hour, and it looks really good.